Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ubak Sniawbhalang dahan, mentah ke sengi ulah kentai ya ke jingkeno jongkat sengking atiar ke HNLC, bu ujubai pisai ki hakapor bu udang haka parti Kongres, bat ulaong bakani ke datang ke jingtemu, ban pinto beriaya Habakran shkilat pathai KHUBOR, mentah ke sengi ke kharwai tarik ujemang, ubak Sniawbha, ulaong bakum unoyalam, ngaiit yu Paidbah, bat ngantri shitom na kapenta ki Paidbah jong ke Jela, bat ngadan hangni ban Shakri yu Paidbah, ngaklem long menteri ban Shakri ki Seng Lehnoh. Halor ke jingdawa jong ke Seng, ki badan hakaliang persyak ke VPP bat ke Kongres, ban Hershuki kum menteri sorkar, ubak Sniawbhalang, ulaong ba umtre ban Hershuki, nakakam menteri namar ke jingkeno nakakinhun Lehnoh, kalong ke baklam don nongring.
Yubi kata kadai bonsin ka position ni gijo don ga jiken ku man lagi isu hakan ni grukom. Dai masu tu ni na kaleng jongai ka ampan sai pi. Kum nga umri kadai ga won kadai ga ka racing balaban. Te subuk mentan kanu ku bagi berukikan ngimut ban kanu ABC ngin ong yes ka badai. Ongkin ai ka proof. Ongkin pensisya. Subuk lah syakan wan biang sekawai kanong ba. Kermen du ufon ni kani. Is it true? Subuk don next week pandu ong bat ba. Gawin ufon yang ni. Is it true? You need proof. You need proof document. You have to prove that. Pidai man pensi saya komi kita baro. Tengah kejing pejong ngai personally iman. Dak beburom iman kani kadega. It seem is some politically motivated just to manage me personally. And please remember, the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, the more God will bless me. And I'm assured that I will promise I will work better and better for my people of the state of Meghalaya. And I commit very sincerely, please don't think otherwise. I am your leaders. I am here to serve my state and for my beloved people. And all the allegation is very, very false and baseless allegation. It is the banned organizations. To say that all these things, I think government know how to function in the government. Because, just like what I said, if today somebody talk about me, and tomorrow somebody allege some minister, then government know how to function properly. That is a way of to function in the government.
What is the demand?
You see, this is the demand from the opposition party. Opposition is always a duty. But demanding resign, dropping this and that. Everything you do, you have to be with full proof. Suppose if I resign, I accept the allegation. And which I'm not going to do, I won't bother at all. I'm here to serve for my people, not to serve for terrorists. Please remember. That is my commitment. 17 years as MLA in my own state. I love my people. And I will commit and promise to work harder and harder for the people of the state. The allegation is truly baseless allegation.
Do you think anybody is...
It seemed that, but what should I say? It seemed the way how the statement come from some of the political party, it seemed politically motivated. But anyway, I have seen so many people want to spread negativity on me personally, but I'm not worried. Because my duty is to work for my people of the state, to promote, to develop the state into a greater height. That is my intention. And that is our focus as the whole government also.